and it definitely impressed me. I think the cordless range has very good power, excellent run time, and fantastic balance and weight.
It's great to have tools that work with each other, knowing that if they bring something new out, it's still compatible.
I think this is one of the best SDS drills I've ever used, to be honest. The drill driver was great, done its job, went through the wood really well. All the tools are compact, they're reliable. I can interchange all the batteries for all the range. There's a tool for every job.
The batteries are powerful, reliable and compact.
To be able to charge your battery quickly means you can keep working and work faster.
Been really impressed with the Bosch Professional 18-volt system. It's got great control, but also the power needed as well.
Kickback control was perfect. I can happily drill with confidence and not worry about a thing.
The circular saw was really simple to use, really comfortable, well balanced.
The Bosch Professional 18-volt system has just made me more efficient.